To enable or disable auto backup messages to Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Samsung Cloud. Tap More icon. Tap Settings. Tap Sync and Auto Backup Settings. Tap Auto Backup. Tap Messages switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.